Hello, today we will guide you through how to share transcripts with a link in Otter. To begin, open otter.ai and make sure you are on the main workspace screen. If you are arriving from a learning or transcript page, that is fine too. The goal is simply to get into your Otter account so you can access the transcript you want to share. Once you are inside Otter, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click Home. This will take you to the main dashboard, where your available recordings, notes, and transcripts are organized. If you are new to the platform, Home is usually the easiest place to start because it gives you a clear overview of your content. From the home page, open the sample transcript. In your account, this may be listed among your recent files or available conversations. Select it so the transcript opens fully. Before moving on, take a moment to confirm you are inside the correct transcript, especially if you plan to share it with other people. With the transcript open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Share. This opens the sharing options for that specific transcript. In Otter, the Share menu is where you control who can access the file and how the link will work. So this is the key step for making a transcript available to others. Next, find the Access Restriction drop-down menu. Select the current restriction setting so you can change it. This setting determines whether the transcript stays private or can be viewed by a broader audience. If you do not adjust this setting, the link may not work for the people you send it to. From the drop-down options, choose anyone with the link. This updates the sharing permission so that anyone who receives the link can open the transcript, depending on your Otter settings. It is a good idea to double-check that this option is active before copying the link, just to avoid access issues later. After that, click Copy Link if you want to paste the transcript URL into an email, message, or document. You may also choose the option to post to Slack if that is how you share information with your team. Either option will let you distribute the transcript quickly and conveniently. And that's it. Once the link has been copied or posted, your transcript is ready to share. If someone has trouble opening it, return to the Share menu and confirm that the access level is still set to anyone with the link.